Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.
Ever since Ethereum came to be, the crypto industry witnessed the introduction of programmable money, which gave birth to the world of decentralized finance. But with the growth of DeFi as a sector, another thing came to light, which has become more and more of a problem as the industry gains more and more popularity. Yes, we're talking about transaction fee. Hello, hi, namaste, this is Riya Yadav, and in this video, we will be looking at some of the top cryptos with the lowest transaction fee to look out for in 2023. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहले समझ लेते हैं what transaction fee exactly is. Transaction fee essentially refers to the cost of performing a transaction on the blockchain, which is paid out to the miners or validators for performing the job in securing the blockchain network. It basically works as an incentivization system so that the blockchain network can remain secure and at the same time it is able to provide decentralized services to people. तो आप समझ ही सकते हैं DeFi यानी Decentralized Finance 2020 से 2021 में काफ़ी पॉपुलर होने लगा था और लास्ट बुल रन में बहुत ज़्यादा मार्केट पार्टिसिपेशन हुई थी। बट ये पॉपुलैरिटी जितनी बढ़ती रही, ट्रांजैक्शन फी उतनी ही बढ़ती रही। This is because transaction fee is directly proportional to the number of transactions happening on the network. This has resulted in the birth of a new kind of network that wanted to solve this problem by reducing transaction fee to a fraction of what they earlier were. तो सबसे पहला क्रिप्टो प्रोजेक्ट जो आपको जानना चाहिए वो है IOTA. IOTA is well known to be one of the most eco-friendly cryptos on this list. IOTA defines itself as an open and feeless data and value transfer protocol. The project is run by IOTA Foundation, which is a non-profit organization based in Berlin, and it works to develop the IOTA token. The most interesting thing about this project is that its native token doesn't charge any transaction fee at all. The network doesn't even have miners, thus removing the need of transaction fee. Next up is Nano और उसका नेटिव टोकन है XNO. ये है एक और क्रिप्टो प्रोजेक्ट जिस पे किसी भी तरह की ट्रांजैक्शन फी नहीं लगती। जी हाँ, दिस इज अचीव्ड बाय समथिंग नोन एज अ ब्लॉक लैटिस. सो व्हाट इज अ ब्लॉक लैटिस एग्जैक्टली? Very dissimilar to the proof of work where miners compete against each other to complete the next block. Nano is designed in such a way that each account has its own blockchain that only its owner can update. Nano calls this the block lattice. इसी तरह से Nano is able to take transaction fee completely out of the equation while also having scalability and security at the core of the network. है ना ये काफ़ी सही चीज़? तो अब आते हैं ऐसे क्रिप्टोज पे जिन पे ट्रांजैक्शन फी लगती तो है बट थोड़ी होती है और काफ़ी फ्रैक्शनल होती है. So the next one on our list is none other than the very popular Ripple. इसकी कहानी तो बड़ी सिंपल है. First released back in 2012, Ripple is a blockchain-based digital payment settlement network and remittance system with its own native crypto. इनको तो बस Swift को replace करना है with a blockchain-based solution. By the way, Swift is Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications. It is also now being used by various central banks and public banks to process international funds at a fraction of the cost and time that we see today. Ripple's XRP token is simply an intermediary medium of exchange between two currencies or networks, like a settlement layer denomination. Now up next is none other than our very own Polygon. Founded by Sandeep Nailwal, Polygon एक Ethereum based Layer 2 scaling solution है. पहले समझ लेते हैं कि what exactly a Layer 2 scaling solution is. So Layer 2 scaling solution are the technology that run on top of a blockchain protocol that tries to improve the speed and efficiency of the underlying blockchain. Polygon is one of the most popular Layer 2 scaling solutions in the crypto space with a market cap of almost $8 billion. इनका मार्केट कैप आता है इनके नेटिव टोकन मैटिक से. इस टोकन के बारे में पूरी जानकारी लेनी है तो इस वीडियो को जरूर देखना. Polygon was built with the objective of reducing transaction fee and has been quite successful in doing so, and thus has become one of the most preferred Layer 2 scaling solutions to run on top of Ethereum so far. By the way, if you're liking this video so far, like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. The next one we have for you is Litecoin. Sounds familiar, right? One of the earliest altcoins in the market, Litecoin, is a crypto that was built from a fork in the original Bitcoin blockchain back in 2011. It was initially built to address the quickly growing concern that Bitcoin was becoming more and more centrally controlled in the market. But the view quickly moved on from that to a vision to create a new financial system of payments through the blockchain that is essentially very cheap to transact on. इसीलिए अब Litecoin is now well known as one of the cheapest networks for a payment system with transaction fee averaging to 0.000090 LTC. Count the number of zeros in it. The next crypto project on the list is Dash. Dash की शुरुआत हुई थी as a privacy focused token based on the grandfather of all tokens, Bitcoin. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कई बार रीब्रांडिंग हो चुकी है ऑलरेडी. It began as Xcoin, then it was renamed as Darkcoin and finally landed upon the name Dash in March of 2015. While its privacy and anonymity feature is something that is optional, it now works primarily to also serve as the means of payment by reducing the transaction costs involved in the payment. Dash even aims to become the means for daily transaction via a digital currency that can be used as cash, credit card, or even via payment platforms like PayPal. Up next is Stellar. Stellar is a crypto project that is developed by the Stellar Development Foundation. Its native crypto token is called Lumens or XLM and is very popular in the crypto world. Inka project idea is quite similar to that of Ripple's. Stellar Lumen is a project that strives to build an expansive blockchain-based distributed ledger network that wants to connect banks, payment systems, and people through facilitation of low-cost, cross-asset transfer of value that includes payments. इसीलिए ये अब बन चुका है blockchain-based payment network में second largest player, second only to XRP with a market cap of over $2.3 billion at the time of making this video. And now on to the last one, Monero. Monero is widely popular and probably one of the largest privacy-focused cryptos by market capitalization. Monero is a project that focuses specifically on enhancing privacy and anonymity around transactions happening over the blockchain. पर इसके सिवाय Monero का एक और फीचर ये भी है कि transaction costs काफ़ी कम हैं इस पे when compared to other heavyweights like Ethereum and Cardano by using a series of innovative techniques to decrease those costs. तो ये थे आपके लिए 8 पॉपुलर क्रिप्टो प्रोजेक्ट्स विद लो ट्रांजैक्शन फी. ट्रांजैक्शन कॉस्ट कम होने के कारण ये प्रोजेक्ट्स काफ़ी पॉपुलर हो सकते हैं गोइंग अहेड इनटू द फ्यूचर एज DeFi becomes more and more mainstream and thus this is a category of coin that you could keep an eye out for. Again, research तो हमने करके दे दी है लेकिन crypto markets are very very volatile and only invest what you can afford to lose. Feel free to watch another videos on the topic Top 10 cryptos under ₹100 and under ₹1000. हर हफ्ते हम ऐसे ही relevant videos लेके आते रहेंगे आपके लिए. उसके लिए सब्सक्राइब टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल. ओ बाय द वे, अगर आपको ऊपर वाली लिस्ट में से कोई भी क्रिप्टोज अच्छे लगे विच piqued योर इंटरेस्ट तो ये सारे अवेलेबल हैं CoinDCX ऐप पर फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्पसेज. चेक आउट द लेटेस्ट प्राइस मूवमेंट्स ऑन CoinDCX फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजन. बस जाने से पहले एक और चीज़, ये वीडियो कोई भी फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस नहीं है और किसी भी क्रिप्टो में इन्वेस्ट करने से पहले आपकी रिसर्च बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. ये वीडियो बस आपको एजुकेट करने के लिए बनाया गया है. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.